Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through a beauty photography lighting setup that's super easy, budget friendly, and produces really professional results. This is great for anybody that's starting off with studio lighting or beauty photography and doesn't want to spend $1,000 on gear just yet. Here's what you're going to need. 2 flashes, I'm using some really cheap newer TT560s, a silver reflective umbrella, you can pick these up for about 16 bucks, I'm using one that's 33 inches, and a big white reflector. These are around 25 bucks for a multi-use one, but you can also just use a really big piece of white cardboard. And you'll need the accessories that go along with that, which means 2 light stands with flash mounts and wireless triggers, and a light stand with an arm to hold the reflector, or you could just get a friend to help you out. I shot this all myself and I'm definitely not a model, so if it looks good on me, it's gonna look good on anyone. The 2 lights in this setup will be the key light to my right, which will be the main source of light on my face, and a fill light on the other side to soften the shadows. Even though the lighting looks pretty natural, almost like there's a large window in front of me, my studio is actually pretty dark, so all of the light in these images is coming from my 2 flashes. A good rule of thumb is the bigger the light source, the softer the light. That's why my key light is a flash bounced on a big white reflector. It creates an even wash of light across my entire face. The fill light is feathered away from me, meaning it's just pushed away so that really just the edge of the light is hitting the frame. The fill light is also intentionally darker than the key light to preserve some of the dimensions of my features. This combo creates some beautiful glowy highlights, soft shadows, and a really nice commercial look, and you can do all of this for under 100 bucks. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram @HelloTajreen for more photography tips and tutorials. And I will see you guys in the next one.